What's up, everybody? Bo's here. I am going to do a little bit of upgrade on this van, my own van. As you can see, I still have my headliner from here all the way to the front with the 4 LED lights here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this. I'm going to insulate it more and then connect more of these wood panels all the way to the front. I want to feel more like it's, it's a cabin. So the ceiling's going to be all the way to the front with the updated LED lights. And then the cabinet, I'm going to remove this side of the cabinet. I'm going to build one long cabinet with the aluminum framing. So if you're interested to see it, please stay tuned. Check out this aluminum extrusion, you guys. Here, these are 10 feet long, ready for this project. Beautiful. Let's get this thing apart. Tear it apart. Wish me luck. I'm using the 1 inch by half extrusion, aluminum extrusion. This is going to be my the bottom, where the bottom frame is gonna attach to. So I'm drilling holes every 16 inches or so with the countersink, so I can attach it to the wall. So that is the start of the cabinet. By making the countersink, it allows me to run the T-nuts through the whole channel freely. There you go, like that. So now I can run it anywhere along the line. Alright, you guys, I just want to give you an update of where I'm at right now. I got the backboard, back panel here ready for this new cabinet. I already have the wood for the panel here and all my main frame here all set up, the wires and everything, but I have to pause it for a couple days because I have another van over there, a friend's van. I'm helping them, helping him build a extrusion cabinet framing for some TVs inside. It's a satellite van. My ceiling panel comes out nice, little bit lighter color. I like it like that. I applied 2 coats of polyurethane and clear coat all in one. It's like this from the Home Depot, and this is classic oak color, and it's not too dark. It's pretty smooth. Now I'm ready to cut my aluminum framing for my cabinet. I already have my measurement from here to here and here to here. So what I'm going to need is one long main frame on the top that will be attached to the ceiling, and then one for the bottom front, which is this one here, will attach to it, and then from here to here. So let's go cut the aluminum. Alright, to do this aluminum framing, you need helping hand. So I got my buddy over here ready to help me out. High five. You're gonna help me out with this. Okay, you ready? Okay, now you can go sit over there. Go night night, first I'll call you back, okay? Whoa. Okay, go night night. Go over there. Go night night. Over there. Thank you. I'll call you. Okay. This is my front, the bottom front over here. So you can see this is the 3 side slots. This is going to be my front one, because this is the smooth face, and this is going to be the top one that I will attach the other ones to it. And also I will have this with the smooth side, also the front, that will attach to this, and the top one is this right here. And then from the bottom ones here, this is going to the wall this way. So what I'm using to attach each one is this corner bracket here, okay, like so. And it's going to be attaching, just a sample here, you slide into the channel, that, there you go, that way. Okay, just a sample, that's how you're gonna touch it, and then just tighten it up, okay, both way, top and the bottom. Okay, and that is for the corner 1 inch to 1 inch aluminum. And then for my bottom cabinet bottoms, I'm going to use this, also another 1 inch stainless steel bracket. It'll be like this, and then that is going to go like that, and facing bottom like this, and that's where I'm going to have my bottom board and screw to it. Okay, let's reassemble a little bit, and then we'll attach it to the wall. The only kind of downside of using this kind of ankle is that when you have this is the face, this is the front of the cabinet, and if you use this ankle on this side, it might be in the way if you're gonna put a hinge or mount a hinge or something to here. So what you want to do is mount the one that runs to the wall first, and then this one mount it on the back side of it, like so, so that you have in the front here and the face here free, nothing's blocking it. Here we go, you guys. Can you see the shape of my cabinet now? This is a big cabinet. I'm able to do only 9 feet long, but this is a 3 feet each door, so it's a huge cabinet. I forgot to attach to the top. I'm running 5 of these super strong stainless steel bracket. This is a 2x1 bracket stainless steel. You can see how thick it is. Okay, and it's gonna be like, okay, like this. Nice. Touch it to the top, and each one has 2 screws, so there are 10 screws total, because I have 5 of these ankles. And then I'm gonna reinforce the screws on the ceiling onto the frame of the van to keep the cabinet really, really strong. There it is. time to work on the cabinet door. Okay, so I'm using again these hinges. Okay, these are called concealed hinges, and they come with little pack like this with screws inside already. And this is 3 inches long, half an inch deep right here, and it's a partial overlay. That's why it's half like that, and it opens 100%. So this is how it opens. Okay, 100%, and it's a slow close. So if you look at this when you close it, okay, right there, slow close, and it's gonna go like that. Okay, see these 2 holes right here? That's where our screw's gonna go in and grab onto this inside this channel. Now the only thing is, because these are designed to grab onto wood, that's why it has these 2 pointy thing right here. I'm just gonna straighten that out, because with that it's gonna be in the way and the holes will not align with the channel here. It is still strong. Okay, once it you tighten with the T-nuts in here, it's not gonna go anywhere. Now I go ahead, pre-insert my T-nuts, and then go ahead, screw these in, but loosely, keep it loose. Now that I have all my hinges installed, pre-installed, keep them loose, I'm going to get the doors ready, making these pocket holes for these hinges, and then we just bring it to install it. To make this hole, I'm using this Kreg jig, and this one you set it to here to 5 millimeter, and then on my door I mark where the center I want to be. So I align that line with the number 0 right here. Okay, right on the 0. I just clamp it down. Make sure it is all the way against the edge here. 5 millimeter. Slam it down, and then I drill the hole. There's my perfect hole right here, and that's where this will fit. Check that out, perfect fit. Now I pre-drill my screw holes. So you don't want to go too deep, otherwise it will go through. Just pre-drill it, and we'll take it over there. Now you just try to align everything together. There, like that. And now we're gonna screw these down and move it to fit your frame, and make some final adjustments here. We're good. Alright, now I have all my doors installed, already aligned. This is only the front. Now I'm going to put the support, so when you open up it stays up, and after that I will focus on the bottom here, and then the front lip here. I want to leave it open like that. I want to make it bigger, a little bit bigger like that, so I can make the lip right here on the front, I mean the bottom lip right here, so when we put stuff inside it doesn't fall off. For the cabinet hinges, the support hinge, I'm using the same hardware that I used for on the previous build, which is this kind here. Okay, these are adjustable and they support up to 40 pounds. So I think with this door, it's pretty light. I can just use one on each door. These hinges, they come in separate parts like this. You have to assemble it yourself because you can either put this one on this side or this one on this side. It depends on where you are going to use on the cabinet. Let's see, I want to put this side. On this side, it's going to be on the bottom. If I put this side, I mean, yeah, if you put over here, it's going to be on attached like this. Okay, and this is where it's going to go onto my mounted into my slot here. Okay, with these two holes, but the hole is a little bit too small for this kind of screw, so I'm gonna have to like enlarge it a little bit to fit that. That's not a big deal. There you have it, you guys. Now you can take it from here. Hope you can build a beautiful cabinet of your own. You don't have to choose the same exactly the color material here. This is I feel like it's a little bit too white here, but anyways, yes, match your own color. All you have to do from now is putting these aluminum angle along here, and then cut the bottom, measure and cut the bottom to fit here, and then screw it from top here, and that's it. You can see it comes out beautiful cabinet, huge. This is 3 feet long by 12, and I want to extend it extra below here because I don't plan to put any doorknob or handles to here. That's why you can see it's the bottom here, and I also use this is maple, 1.5 inches by 3/4. I put here to make it as a lip, so nothing will, you know, it help hold things inside here. And I just stain it to the matching the ceiling color. And besides that, all good. And good luck building your own cabinet. I hope this video has a lot of helpful tips for you guys, and I will list all the hardwares on the links below. And please subscribe if you haven't, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the road trip sometimes.